how to easily use AI to generate a video mockup for your Etsy store. So I'm Ivy, and I wanted to quickly talk to you about video mockups today because I run a store with digital prints, and video mockups are something that can really make your prints pop and stand out in the search results. So this is something I would encourage you to do and look into. And one way, it's just, the regular way would be to buy a video mockup from one of the Etsy shops. So you can buy them like from Nordly Studio. They have several video frame mockups. But I wanted to show you something different. This is the regular way, and I want to show you a really something special. So we will get to Midjourney, and we will create an interior. So whatever interior you like or you think of, like what's popular right now. Okay, maybe cottagecore. So I will create an interior like that, maybe a kitchen, because I have a print that would be perfect for that. It's a print for the kitchen, for the cottagecore style. And I also wanted to put there like a young blonde girl. Sounds fair? Yeah, let's do it. Ultra realistic photo of a kitchen in cottage core style. There is a 20-year-old blonde woman with a cup of coffee sitting at a wooden table. I want the aspect ratio to be 1:1. Let's see. I'm curious. I always like to rerun my prompts. So Midjourney is generating. And we have results like this. I sort of like this one. This one is also nice. And we have another one like this. I think, this one can work well for our example. I will upscale it. Then I will head to Printful or to any other POD supplier, and I will grab a frame. So products, home and living, wall art, framed, maybe framed posters. So for this one, I would like to have an oak frame in the size of, I don't know, maybe 50 by 70. I think it's always a good size. So then I just copy the image, and we have, I will paste it inside Freepik. I will take this one as well. I will copy the image, and I will also paste it. I will copy the image and I will paste it here inside the Freepik. Freepik is an AI tool that I use very often, and inside the image generator you will find like different models. What I really, really recommend is using Google Nano Banana Pro. It gives the best results. Yeah. So now let's check my art, the one that I want to use. Let's use this print that I generated recently. I will drag and drop it here. So what I do in Nano Banana, I use square ratio 1:1, and I will write something like this. I'm just, like doing it with you because I want you to follow my process. I don't want to be perfect in this. I know you can improve. I know you can tweak it. I know you can use ChatGPT or Claude. So I just want you to show. I just want to show you how my human brain works. So what I would do is I would reference my artwork, so image 3, put this image inside frame, and then I use add image 1, and make the woman inside image 2 hold the frame with the art. Yeah, you can generate unlimited in 2K, and let's click generate, and let's generate more. Like, if you are thinking, what the hell is this? I am definitely not striking weird facial expressions for my YouTube videos. I use also Nano Banana to create all the crazy banners for my YouTube videos and so on. So yeah, this helps a lot and is making the process very smooth. So yeah, so when you do this, like when you generate this image inside Nano Banana, I will quickly show you some other tricks that I have. So yeah, look at this, and you know what, this is mind blowing for me. Like, look at the fingers, look at the art, look at the quality. Like, it's perfect. Like, let's be honest, it's perfect. So, if you want to add glass reflection, you can. If you want, the base image to be different, you can change it. Like, there is some issue maybe with the chair, then you can change it. Like, you can edit image, you can add different things on the table, remove, change her face, whatever you like. You can play around with it, but I just want to show you the concept. Maybe let's do something like this. Remove art from the wall and make her sit on the chair properly. And I don't use auto settings. I use the model again, like Nano Banana, because I think I'm in love with Nano Banana. Resolution 2K. And yeah. Let's play around with it because, I want you to follow my process, and then I want you to do your own stuff. So let's save and close. We could even further redo the image because I see it hasn't done anything with the chair, but for the purpose of this video, I think it's more than enough. Also, there are different options because I clicked actually 3 times. So let's see. Yeah, here we have too many hands, so I don't love it. And here the size is actually square. So you know what you can do? You can always write to Nano Banana, I want 50 by 70. So inside the frame, 50 by 70 centimeters. So let's regenerate. And if you decide to purchase Freepik, please use the link below. I am an affiliate, and I only recommend the tools that I'm actually using and paying for. So yeah, please don't think that I only made this video for the sake of the affiliation. It's not working like this with me. So yeah, like, I'm really in love. There are some issues here, but the hands are way better in Nano Banana than in Midjourney. So after we generate this, like, you can have totally like custom mockups, like you can, for example, reference some interiors from Pinterest. Always be mindful about copyright issues. So please don't, like, borrow other people creations. Yeah. So as you can see, like, if we write 50 by 70 centimeters, it's always like, very thoughtful and doing the job we asked him to do. So now I will take this image, and what I will do is I will create a video. Yeah, I want the girl to, I want to use actually, I think 2.5 because it's unlimited. I want to make a 10-second video, and the girl is drinking coffee and looking at the art work. So it's also unlimited, and no, sorry, the resolution is not supported. Okay, we need to just downgrade the resolution, and then 10 seconds is fine. So yeah, it will be 720p. And let's check how it will turn out. And then, like, you can use this workflow to generate your mockups, to generate your videos. They will be truly unique, but also please be mindful, it takes time. Like, if you want to automate, if you're at the point that you are just, like rushing through the listings and generating like 5, 10, 20 a day, then perhaps it's not the best idea to use this workflow. But if you want, to have something truly unique, or if you even have like a static mockup and you want to add some movement to it, or like, create a video out of it, it's also a good idea to use it. So are you ready? Let's see the video. So she's drinking coffee and then looking at the art. Wow. How amazing. Like, how easy it is. You don't have to print it. You don't have to record it. You can like generate whatever interior you want with whatever model you want, whatever, like, skin color, age. If you want family, you can have family, and then you can have a mock-up. If you want to have actually like a different product, like a towel, a shirt, a mug, whatever, you can do it also here. So like the possibilities are truly endless. And I'm very, very excited like that AI has come to this level that it can support you in so many different ways. So yeah. If you liked this video, please join my school community where I teach how to run a digital print shop on Etsy. I made over 150,000 euros in the past 2 years selling digital products on Etsy. I have a really extensive knowledge about AI tools, what products are in demand. So yeah. Join me and my community at school.com, and let's work on your shops together. See you.